Hello, my name is Ginger Blanchett. I'm originally from Grand Junction, Colorado. A little bit about me is I love to travel. Last year I went to Thailand and I learned how to feed an elephant pumpkin, and I learned how to eat sticky rice, and I learned that you can buy silk and silver at some of the wonderful street fairs that they've got going on in Thailand. This coming Christmas, my next trip is to Victoria and Vancouver for the Christmas markets. Yes, two of the favorite things I love to do, eat and shop. Well, we're in Victoria. We're going to the beautiful Empress Hotel and we're going to have high tea. So that ought to be quite elegant and interesting to do. Then in the evening, we're going to go see all of the Christmas lights in the beautiful, beautiful Bouchard's Gardens. That's a little bit about me. My name is Ginger Blanchett. Thank you.